Hey guys, in today's video, we will be addressing a very common question. Can you use EBT on Doordash? But before we dive into the specifics, let's quickly go over what exactly is EBT for those who might not be familiar. So EBT is basically an electronic system that allows customers to pay for certain eligible foods. Similar to a credit or debit card, SNAP/EBT cards can be added as a payment method on Doordash and used when shopping for eligible food items. But still, the big question is, can you use EBT on Doordash? Well, the answer is not a simple yes or no. Yes, you can definitely use EBT on Doordash, but as of now, it is currently available in limited areas and at selected stores only. At the time of recording this video, you can only use SNAP/EBT benefits on Doordash purchases at Safeway, Albertsons, Aldi, Major, and 7-Eleven stores. So while you can use EBT on Doordash in certain situations, it's not universally available. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.